Why is my head so big? Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? What's it doing? How are y'all today? Great, good. You know what? I'm even better because y'all clicked on my channel. So let's get into this video today. My colored contacts review. Okay guys, so I personally get my contacts from Color CL. This is what the box is looking like, and then I love the box because when you open it, this is what it looks like inside. It came when I first opened it was this adorable little case, and they also send you this crystal moisturizing effect face mask. I have ordered from them before. This is not my first time. I can attest, like, the mask does work for these sensitive skinned people. Okay, sis. Okay, so I got 3 pairs of contacts, and let me tell y'all right now, like, these contacts have gone up in price. Like, I really just don't like YouTubers for reviewing it, but here I am, a YouTuber doing what? Reviewing it, sis. But these contacts, once upon a time, they were like $5 or like $8 or something like that. Now, individually packaged, they're $15 each. I got 3 pairs today, and there's usually one more pair that I do get, but they were sold out. So the colors that I'm going to show you guys are Siesta Pearl Gray, Siesta Pearl Brown, and Siesta Pearl Khaki. I also did the free shipping option on there. It's kind of scary because they ship from, where do they ship from? They ship from Korea. Because they ship from Korea, they have a free standard shipping, which is anywhere from 7 to 30 days after ship out, with a maximum of 40 days. So I was like, it could be like a month. I actually got my contacts in 2 weeks. Overall I paid $40.50 for these 3 pairs of contacts. They did have a coupon code going at the time, $4.50 off. Let's get into these contacts. I'm actually gonna try them on for y'all, so just keep watching and you'll be able to see. So first I'm gonna actually review the box for y'all. This is what they look like. You can order in a prescription if you want to, and it'll show you the colors on the ends. So what all comes in this little box right here will be your 2 pairs of contacts, and then you'll also get a case for each pair, which I think is so convenient because right off the jump you get a case. So the first color that I'm gonna try for y'all are the Pearl Browns, and this is what the contact looks like. Kind of crazy, huh? Super pretty. I love them because my eyes are super dark, so it definitely see an effect in my eyes. I do use the Renew. This works for me, but make sure you soak the contacts in the liquid before you use it. I don't. I find myself just opening the package and going, which is not okay, but hey, you know? So I'm just gonna put the contact in. So this is the contact compared to my regular eye color. So I'm gonna put in the other contact so y'all can see both eyes. It's freaking open. Gosh. You know what I really hate, y'all? Those stupid companies that like sell the contact by the contact. No offense, but like you have one eyeball. Like they don't sell them in pairs. I was like, y'all tripping. Y'all really think I'm about to pay $15 for one contact for one eyeball? I'm gonna pay $30 for the whole dirt. Something was definitely in my eye. I don't see how people make these videos. But this is the other contact. This is not the contact. This is my eyeball. Or this is me like maybe putting the contact in wrong, because y'all saw how I took that hoe out. So if you don't know how to put contacts in, it's your first time, congratulations, you're about to make a fool of yourself, because the contact should always be like concave, like the bottom of a meniscus type thing, you know? The edges of it should never be convex. And to me, this looking real concave, huh? This looking real concave. Doesn't even help. This looking concave. Like this is concave. Is this concave? Maybe I'm lying. Maybe that was convex looking. Nah, this concave right here. And you can always like spread out the contact by adding the liquid into it, so you get the full effect. So this is how I would originally wear the contact. Oh shoot, y'all. There's something in my eyeball. There's something in my eyeball, y'all. I hope I got some footage. I don't even want to do this video no more. I'm mad. But that was the first pair. Ooh, the things I do for my subscribers. Okay, so the next one, we're going to try on these pearl khakis. I don't know if I told y'all, but the first one was the pearl brown. And usually I can wear these contacts all the way through the day. I do not suggest you sleeping in them. And in this box, these are what the contacts look like in the case. And on the other side, there's a little bubble, so you can see that's actually in there. Is it in there? And then this is the case that it came with. So this is what the contact looking like. Y'all can see it. It's kind of like bluish greenish. I'll put it in my eyeball for y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but it kind of just like makes the outside of your eyeballs kind of like bluish green. So y'all are gonna have to excuse me because my eye is a little irritated. Eyelash might be falling off, but ignore that too. I feel like I'm in one of those puffer things. They're gonna be like, okay, and look into the house. Just keep on looking and what? This is like a super like little kind of like look if you want to change your color but you don't want anything like drastic like what I'm about to show y'all. Like this next one is like super drastic. This one is definitely like foreplay with your eyeballs if you just want something like different, you know, the colors. And this is what they look like from far away in both of my eyes. These are what my eyes are giving y'all. And up close on my dark eyeballs, up close, this is what they're looking like. Ignore my big ass head. I know it's big. Okay, you don't have to tell me twice. So this last pair I have been wearing for a while. I ripped one. Y'all have to know that these contacts are super sensitive. So if you have long nails, be careful how you handle them because girl, they will rip. And I'm like high-key mad because they're $15 a pair. So I'm still putting it in my eye because I love y'all. So now in times like this, I do wish I could just buy one. But these were the drastic kind of colors that I was talking about. This is the Siesta Pearl Gray. Y'all probably seen me in this in other videos. If you see my eyes kind of like glowing, I'm wearing these contacts right here. They kind of give me more like a bluish color than a gray color. So I'm gonna show y'all up close what they're looking like compared to my other eye. So this is the contact, right? And at the end, the bottom of it, closest to this finger here at the bottom, there's a little rip. So this is what the contacts are looking like in both of my eyes. Like I said, this is that color. Like if y'all do see my videos and it looks like my eyes are glowing, these are the contacts that I do have in. If y'all always wanted to know, now you know. I gave you the thesis because on my channel that's how we do it. Oh my gosh, my right eye is just giving me a run for my money today. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can always be subscribed to my channel and know when I upload my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We always do it on my channel like how I just did. We bippity boppity booed that thing, sweetie. So I love you guys so much and I hope you're having a great day and I hope to see you guys as watchers of my next video. Bye.